minute 90 morning vlog. Hi guys, if you're wondering why I look sleep deprived, it's because I am. I woke up at 5:55 this morning, and it's currently like 6 something in the morning, and I'm trying to walk this little piece of crap who keeps trying to take a pee on everything. So yeah, I just needed to make this quick vlog to let you guys know that I'm still alive. Also, yeah, I say F the freaking upload schedules. I don't give a crap for them. Like, Evan, Mason, all my other Xbox friends, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I haven't been on lately. Yesterday we went to see Ant-Man and the Wasp, and holy crap, was that amazing. So, yeah, I'm gonna go quickly create my little un-PG friendly video over there. See you then, guys.